Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. Of course, festival time is a time to make a lot of sweets and celebrate. Today, I'm going to share a traditional Andhra special sweet recipe. This is called Pala Puri. Now, this is made with crispy puris dipped in a rich flavored milk and it tastes amazing. So let's get started and check it out.
First, let's make the dough for the puri. In a mixing bowl, take 1 cup of wheat flour. It's a 250 ml cup measurement. Add less than ¼ teaspoon of salt and a spoon of ghee. Mix well so the ghee is well combined with the flour. This gives the puris a nice soft and flaky texture. Now slowly add water a little at a time and knead it into a nice soft and smooth dough. Once it's ready, apply a thin layer of ghee all over the dough to keep it moist. Cover it and let it rest for about 30 minutes. This helps to soften the dough, making it easier to roll out later. Next, let's prepare the ingredients for the creamy milk mixture. In a small bowl, add 1 teaspoon of rice, a few cashew pieces, 6 almonds and some pistachios, and 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds. Pour a little hot water and let it soak for about half an hour. Say if you have more time, you can soak them in normal water for about an hour. This soaking helps everything blend into a nice smooth and creamy paste later. Once soaked, transfer everything to a mixer jar. Add a small amount of boiled milk and grind into a fine paste. It might look a little runny, and that's perfectly okay. Now add half a cup of freshly grated coconut or coconut pieces if you prefer that and grind again. If it feels too thick, just add a splash of milk. Grind until the mixture becomes smooth, rich and creamy. And this is the exact texture that we want. In a heavy bottomed pan, add the ground paste and saute it on low flame for about 2 minutes, just until the raw smell disappears. Now pour in 1 liter of thick boiled milk. Start by adding a small quantity first. This helps the paste blend smoothly without lumps. And then add the rest of the milk. Keep stirring continuously on medium flame so the milk doesn't stick to the bottom. After about 20 minutes, the milk will thicken beautifully. When it reaches a rich, creamy consistency, add 3/4 cup of sugar and a spoonful of cardamom powder. Mix well and you can adjust the sweetness according to your taste. Finally, add a pinch of saffron strands. This adds a lovely golden color and aromatic finish. Now our milk mixture is ready. Set this aside and let it cool completely. The dough has rested well. Divide it into small balls and roll each one out into a nice thin puri. Sprinkle a little flour on the surface before rolling. Thin puris turn out crisp and light, which is just what we need. Before frying, prick the puris gently with a fork. This helps them fry flat and crunchy without puffing up. Heat oil in a deep frying pan. Once the oil is hot, lower the flame to medium and gently slide on each puri. Fry evenly on both sides, flipping occasionally until they turn to a nice beautiful golden brown. See how crispy and crunchy they look? Now during festivals, making something different like this truly fills the home with joy and the aroma itself feels festive. Now comes the best part, combining everything together. Take each crispy puri and dip it gently into the cooled milk mixture. Let this soak for just a few seconds so it absorbs all that creamy sweetness. Before serving, pour a little more of the milk mixture over the puris for that luscious finish. Honestly, words aren't enough to describe how good this puri is. You must try this Pala Puri at home. It's traditional, easy to make, and absolutely perfect for any festive occasion.
Well, it's time to enjoy these crispy puris with that yummy flavored milk. Oh my god. Flavors are incredible. Of course, that crispy puris are still crispy but they've absorbed the flavors of that beautiful rich milk. It's just delicious. It's a must-try recipe, guys. You don't want to miss on this one. I really enjoyed that particular sweet. It's a very traditional sweet and you can see it's very simple to make. Just make sure to follow all the steps to get it perfectly. So do give it a try, enjoy and celebrate with your family and friends.
Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.